We're in the middle of nowhere in North Carolina, out in like this farmland all around us. We found this little place. It's called Little Kitchen, and it's farm-to-table food. I believe it came from the farm across the street. What did you order?
Hamburger steak.
Did you not know what you ordered?
No, I had to think about it because she asked me, did I want cheese and mushroom gravy afterwards? And of course I said yes. So I have that and deviled eggs and potato cakes with water and Texas toast because I want to slop up the gravy.
That looks amazing.
It does. It smells good. All right. Gonna start with the deviled egg. You are welcome. I don't know how to eat a deviled egg in half, so I'm just gonna eat the whole daggone thing and y'all suffer through me chewing. Sorry. That's a good deviled egg. It's got mustard in it. A little salt and pepper and I think it'd be perfect. That right there, yeah, that's delicious. I haven't had deviled eggs in a long time. So this is the hamburger steak. I did the mushroom gravy and the cheese. She suggested it as I ordered, and I was like, okay. And then she told me that there is green pepper pieces in the patty and also onion pieces in the patty. Oh, man.
Yeah, that looks really good.
Good God.
I tasted the gravy sauce because there was the actual mushroom on top of it, but you don't eat mushrooms.
Amazing. Man, I'm glad I got the bread to sop that gravy up. None of this will go to waste today. Here we have potato cakes. I'm actually going to use my hands because it's like a plastic fork. Oh my God, that's hot. It's very moist. It feels like not crunchy on the outside, but I could be wrong. We'll see. It needs to be fried longer. It's not done.
Yeah, but it's done on the grill.
It's not done.
I didn't see it sizzling.
Yeah, that's not done. Delicious. Delicious. Needs to be fried longer. Moment of truth. I got the bread for this. You're good.
Thank you.
Michael's food's being delivered. Talking to the camera. Food's being delivered. I think we're okay.
Tartar sauce, please.
Man, the bread and the great. Good decision, self. High five.
Did you just high five yourself?
I did. Delicious.
I went with, because it's Fish Friday, I went with the catfish fillet. It's going to be fried. And then she stole my sides and went with the potato cakes and the deviled egg. So I decided to go with the green beans and the broccoli salad.
What kind of bread?
Hush puppies from the country.
Sad. What are we going for?
We'll do the broccoli salad. It's solid. It kind of tastes like honey baked ham, but with a little bit more tanginess to it. That's really good. I'm gonna do the green beans. They're good. It's got a good like pork flavor to them. You need some salt and pepper. Outside that, it's solid.
Agreed.
On to the fish. Oh, there's two pieces.
Oh, snap.
Even better. I hadn't had catfish in so long.
More for him.
Without tartar sauce.
Without the tartar sauce, it's hot.
Yeah, it's very hot.
I'm gonna go with temperature hot. All of this is very fresh.
It's solid. It's good and crispy on the outside. You can get it plain or with salt and pepper. I got it with salt and pepper added. I'm probably gonna add a little bit more. Other than that, it's really good. This is off the beaten path.
See?
Ah, nice country food.
Get out and try local food.
10 of 10. I would come here again.
Yeah, this has been amazing.